Now we are going to start with our C reading, that is homework. So here we are going to see how the homework is important for the student and how the students are behaving when the homework is given and how they dislike it when the homework is given. So we will see about the students how they feel about the homework. So homework has historically been given to students to reinforce what they learn at school. So whatever they learn at school to practice reinforcements to practice homework is given and ultimately to help them learn the material better. So whatever the so here we saw that homework is given to practice whatever is done in the school that practice and to help the children to learn about the material better. Homework will be given. However, too much homework is not helpful and can be counterproductive. That is, if too much is homework also is given, not given means the children won't like and they won't do interestingly, and it is counterproductive means it won't be productive means it won't be helpful. Excessive amounts of time spent on completing homework can take away the kids' social life, family time, and limits their participation in sports and other activities. So, if excess homework is given, so to complete the homework only, the whole evening time will be gone in that, and the kid cannot play outside. Neither he can mingle with others in the neighborhood, nor he can spend time with the family members. So, cannot participate in the sports activities also. So if excess homework is given, so whatever the other part of the life is there, that will be affected, that they are saying. The amount of homework a teacher has to be given to a student should be restricted, means limited. That homework should be given limited according to the subject wise, and limited should be given so that the children can get time to do other activities. Some home activities will be there, some other sports activities will be there. So they want to learn all this. They want all round development of a child. So if we want an all round development of a child, then we should give a restricted means limited homework to the children. Critically acclaimed author Tamin Ansari reports that since 1981, the amount of homework given to an average 6th class child has increased by more than 50%. So here what the an author is there, he is saying that from 1981 onwards the amount of homework given to a 6th class child has increased by 50%. That means that much of homework was not given before 80s, in 60s 70s, in that period of time, that is 50 60 70 period of time, in 1960s and all, homework was not given that much, but compared to 1980s, that they have seen that 50% increase is there in the home doing the homework. That is, children are spending most of the time in writing the doing their homeworks, that the author is saying about it. So with his reports he got that many children are spending only time in completing the homework. Many people claim that the increase in homework dates as far back as 1957. The new competition that emerged served as an incentive for schools to try to increase the volume of the curriculum. That is, nowadays the schools are giving in competition the homework, and with this, what they are happening, the volume of curriculum means the volume of doing the homework, the time spent on doing the homework is increasing day by day. The amount of homework increases with the increase in class. So as the grades will increase, as the classes will increase from 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, like that, how the grades and how the classes will be increasing, the amount of time spent on doing the homework also increases, that is saying. So in his reports he has got this data that the children are spending most of the time in doing the homework. Many teachers defend large amount of homework, claiming that it is help to prepare students for a world that is becoming increasingly competitive. So teachers are claiming that they are giving lot of homework. Why? Because nowadays lot of competition is there in the world. So to tackle whatever is there in this competitive world, so to increase the talents of the children, the homework is given. The teachers are saying in that manner. However, Dr. Karlovic, author of The End of Homework, argues that doing homework during high school has little or no effect on successful study skills of the students when they join college. So, what they are saying, high school children, they won't take care of doing the homework, and mostly if they do the homework also, they won't do with their wholeheartedly, or neither they learn from something from the doing the homework. Why? Because just it is copy and writing, that's all for the high school children. And for the college children also, homework is not so successful, it is not so helpful. That he is saying that in the high school and in the college the homework should not be given. Why? Because the children won't do it very carelessly. This Dr. Karl is saying excessive amounts of homework can be harmful to kids both physically and mentally. So, a large amount of homeworks are given to the children means then it will be physically and mentally. It is not good, and it is harmful because they can't learn any physical activities like sports or just mingling with the family members or neighborhood. And also mentally they will be just distressed with the amount of homework what they are doing, and they will be very much feeling bore about it. A lot of homework usually means a lot of books to carry. 55% of the Massachusetts, an institution in the USA, children, as per the survey by researchers of Simon's College, carry loads heavier than 50% of their 15% of their body weight. So in Massachusetts is a institution in USA. It is saying that children are carrying heavy loads on their backs, and they are carrying so many books on why? Because so much of homework is given. And in one of the colleges there, Simon's College, it is saying that whatever their body weight is, children's body weight is 50% of the body weight is that much load they are carrying on their backs. Why? Because they are doing their homework and they are taking and going all these things from school to home, home to school, which is the suggested limit. Carrying large amounts of weight daily at a young age can do a lot of damage because bones are still in development stage. The US Consumer Product Safety Commission has reported that in 1999, more than 800 kids were treated in emergency wards for backpack related injuries. Many of these injuries can lead to serious problems later in life, including chronic shoulder, neck, and back pain. So, one survey was done by the US Consumer Safety Commission, and it reported that in 1999, 800 kids were affected with the back pains and back injuries and neck and shoulder pain because they were carrying the heavy loads along with them from school to home and home to school. So what they are saying, as it is a tender age, this is a development age. In this age, the children should not carry that much of heavy loads on their backs. That the survey is saying. The large amount of homework is causing kids in both high school and junior high school to be to be up until midnight or later. So here what they are saying is that the children are sitting and doing their homework. High school children and junior high school children, they are doing the homework till midnight, and they are unable to sleep early. They cannot go to bed early. Why? Because so much of homework is given at schools. When extracurricular activities such as sports, clubs, etc. are added to the picture, kids may even have to wake up early next morning to finish their homework, leaving them with an insufficient amount of sleep. So, if suppose any extra activities are given, like sports activities or any clubs activities are given, then along with this homework, they have to do the other activities also. With that, some of the children are waking up till 4 o'clock early morning. Next early morning till early morning they are waking up, and they are not sleeping at midnight, neither they are sleeping at night, or and with this they are not having sufficient amount of sleep. Why? Because till morning they are doing all the activities along with the homework, they are not getting time to sleep only. So all these are affecting their healthy problems also. Some parents and teachers argue that it would be beneficial to a child's academics to limit after school activities. So some of the parents are saying that there should be a limit for the given to be for the homework and the academic activities and other activities, school activities. Why? Because if that much of burden is given to the children, then it is harmful for their health. So there is an argument between the teachers and the parents. However, cutting the time out of the few hours a week teenagers use for exercise could be a factor in growing obesity cases. So nowadays, you see many of the children and many of the teenagers are not getting time to do any physical exercise, neither to participate in any activities nor to do any sports. They are not getting any time. With that, what is happening is they are becoming obsessed. They are becoming fat, and with that many of the children are having so much fats in their body, and they are shapeless also. So that only they are saying that the teenagers and the school going kids are not having time to do any physical exercise. With that they are becoming fat day by day. The number of children who are overweight has in the last 2 or 3 decades. Currently, one child out of five is overweight. That only weight problem is coming for the children. They are becoming overweight. They are becoming obsessed, and they are becoming so fat, and something they are not looking so good. Something unique they are in the society. Why? Because they are not getting time to do any physical exercise. So from last 2 to 3 decades, we are finding that many children are fat. One among the five is fat. If we compare like that, the ratio out of five children, any one child is obsessed, that is very fat. These children are faced with more problems in school. In school also, these fat children are facing many problems. Instead of learning and concentrating on their work, many children are developing low self-esteem and even depression because of teasing. So other children are looking them awkwardly. With that they are feeling very bad about it, and they are feeling very depressed, and some children are teasing for that fat children. The cases of obesity are growing more certainly due to lack of physical exercise. That only the obesity is going day by day increasing in the children due to lack of physical exercise. With more and more homework being assigned, kids simply do not have time for proper amount of exercise. That only they are not having time to do any physical exercise. With that, they are becoming fat day by day. Children are. Homework also takes away the time that kid could be spending with his or her family. So they can't spend the time with their family also. Why? Because in the evening, by the time they'll do the homework, they'll feel sleepy. For that sake, they are not having much rapport with the family members also. Rather than spending time bonding and building strong family relationships, parents and children argue over homework. So instead of having a good talk among the family members, they will have arguments over the homework and doing the projects and all. With this, there is a lot of instability. Like there is no, the relationship is getting spoiled between the family members due to this homework and other whatever project works all are given. So with that, children are not having time to speak to their family members also, spend a good time with the family members also. Neither the family members are having time to spend a good time with their children. Why? Because by doing this all other activities only, this time is getting finished. Time is taken away from important aspects of daily life. This time is particularly precious in families with both the parents working. Now, if suppose the parents are working in the family, then the parents also won't get time to spend with the children. Neither the children will get time to spend with the children, with the father and mother. With this, the bondage, the relationship is getting spoiled day by day. Why? Because irritation, all this will be coming up between the parents and the children. The time spent by such parents with their children is very limited. See, if the parents are working parents means, then the time will be limited for them, and they won't have much time to spend with their children. This time could be better spent going out to a dinner as a family or doing other activities that most families are not able to do because the kids don't have time to take a break from their homework schedule. So that only, neither they can spend time with each other, nor they can go any outside, nor they can go to any relative, and they cannot spend time with each other. Why? Because if they spend time with each other, the homework schedule will get spoiled. So by the time the child will do the homework, it is end of the day, and everybody will be tired and they won't have time to spend with each other. When assignments are given carelessly and frequently, it causes students to lose interest in the subject. So if now and then assignments are given or lot of homework is given in any subject, then the student will feel very bored about it and they will neglect the subject. Why? Because daily routine is, daily assignments are given, daily homework is given, with that they won't feel interested in the subject. Negative results can also occur when a student is not able to complete. If suppose daily homework is given or daily assignments are put up to the children, they will neglect it, and they will pile up the things. With this, what will happen? They won't feel interested in doing such things, and they don't like the subject, and negativity will build up due to that homework and assignments and all. The children will not be liking the subject, his or homework. Many times they will resort to copying the homework, having others to do assignments or cheating in test. So now what the children will be doing, if any one student is doing the homework, the other children will be just taking and copying it from them, and they by themselves they don't do anything, so they won't learn anything. With this, what happens, the copying habit will be developing in the children, and each and everything what they want to copy, they'll copy and they'll start cheating in the test. Why? Because they will grow bad habits of copying from each other. So if lot of homework is given or homework is given regularly, the daily, then the children will not have any interest. If anybody will do the homework, they'll just copy from them, and the same habit they'll develop in test also. Bad habits such as they are likely to haunt kids through their lives and have an adverse effect on their moral judgment. That only, day by day, the bad habits will be increasing in the kids, and this will have an opposite effect on their life. In future, all these things will be become big things in their life. The small bad habits will change into big things in future. Students will almost always take the easy way when it comes to homework. So students like to do the easy thing what they want while doing the homework. They don't like to spend much time, neither they won't use anything which take consume times and which is difficult. So whatever is the easy step, that easy step they want to follow. The use of homework is effective when used by the rule less is more. So limited homework must be given. If limited homework is given and in limited time is given, and not regularly, but in weekdays, 2 to 3 days, twice a day, a week, like that, if it is given, then children will do it very happily. Why? Because limited homework will be there, or once or twice a week only it is there. So they like to do it and they will be happy with it. So limited homework must be given to the children. Overwhelming kids with loads of homework can cause them stress and possible physical injury. That only, if overloads of homework is given, lot of homework is given, then they will feel stress, distress, and they don't like. They'll become sad, and negative results they'll be putting up in the subject. Homework takes away from the small amount of time kids get to spend with their parents and siblings. That only in the evening the children will get time to spend with their parents and with their brothers and sisters. So in that time also, if the homework is consuming the time, then they won't have time to spend with their parents, and they won't have time to spend with their sisters and brothers. So they'll get irritated. With this, lot of distress, irritation, and arrogance is building up in the kids. A limit on their physical and social activities can also take a large toll on their lives and could hinder their health and future relationships. That only, nowadays the relationship is getting spoiled, and more or each and everybody is very much irritated, arrogant towards others. Why? Because due to this lack of spending of time with the with the family members, with the relatives. So in future also they'll be spoiling relationships with the family members. Why? Because they won't come in contact with each other and they won't understand each other. With that, a lot of troubles will be coming in the family also. This is not to say that homework should be abolished, but it should be limited. So, the main thing is we should not remove the homework. Homework should not be removed, it should be given, but limited homework should be given. And it should not be time consuming. Why? Because the child will get very less time to spend with their family members. So, in that time, if they do only homework means, then when they can spend the time with the family members. So, for that sake, a small amount of homework must be given, a limited amount of homework must be given, which is not so much of time consuming. The homework should also be creative and interesting so that the child enjoys it. So, how the homework should be given is, when the homework is given, limited it should be given, and something interesting facts must be given in that. So, just copy, cut, copy, paste, it should not be like that. Something by doing the homework, they should feel interesting and they should feel very much something they are learning out of that homework. So that when they do like that kind of homeworks, they'll feel interesting, and something creativity should be given in the homework so that the child will enjoy while doing it. So not only just cut, copy, paste, it should be other things also, creativity and something interesting facts must be given so that the children by just play away method they can do their homework in a limited time. So this is the thing what homework is. So homework is a very big thing for the academic career, and that too for the children who are studying. Homework is one of the part of their life, as school is one of the part of the life. So like that only, homework is also a part of routine of the daily life in the school life also, in college life also. So here we are saying that we should homework should be given, but it should be given in a limited manner. Now we are going to, now all of you complete the, I think so all of you have completed the second unit workbook. Now page number 55, this is the unit 3, a reading. So do page number 55.